My name is Adrian Price. I'm an advanced physiotherapy practitioner and I work in CMATS in secondary care, which is Clinical Musculoskeletal Assessment and Treatment Service. As a schoolboy, basically, I was into my sports, rugby mainly, and knew physio as the pitch side person with the bag and the sponges, and had a lot to do with them at that time. So really fancied it because of that, really. So applied to do the BSc in university, and initially had a shock at just how medical the course was and what physiotherapy actually was. So it wasn't what a lot of people, I think, still view it as the sporty kind of profession with just a rub down. But liked it even more because of that. So covering everything really, from the neurology aspect, the respiratory aspect, the pediatrics, everything. That's it really, the rest is history. I qualified and couldn't wait to start work. If you like people, first of all, if you get on well, can communicate well, and are interested in other people, then you're off to a good start. If you have an interest in your biology, obviously, but also just basically in humans, human function, human well-being, then it's an ideal profession, because basically every day I get to meet new people. They tell me all about themselves, and we have long and often interesting chats about how we can best rehabilitate them back to a level of function and fitness and well-being that they strive to achieve.